Welcome student. Today we study the turmeric crop in our paper second, and it is the important for our in board exam question paper. So we carefully study the details in all points in details of turmeric crop. Initially, the local name of turmeric is known as haldi or halad. Then the family is the Gingiberaceae. Botanical name is Curcuma longa, and then the origin is South Asia. These points are also asked for our fill in the blanks. So next one is the before the we study next point, we must know the turmeric is the important in our daily diet vegetation or daily diet preparation of different vegetables. Then it is also used as a medicine, and it has other some religious values. So it is the important crop which is grown in our country or as well as in our state. So in Maharashtra, the turmeric research station is located at Kasbe Digraj, district Sangli. There is a research work is continue on turmeric crop. So this point should be also carefully listen or study our fill in the blanks. Then we study the details point in turmeric crop. That is first one is the economic uses or importance of turmeric. Turmeric is used as a condiment in every Indian household. It is used as a coloring purpose or coloring matter to the food stuff. Turmeric gets yellow color due to curcumin pigment, and it is on an average 3.14% available in powder. Yellow dye is also obtained from turmeric rhizomes, and it is used for dyeing purpose for cotton, silk, wool and paper. Then turmeric have more nutritious values. There is a moistures contain near about 51%, proteins are contains 8.6%, fats are the 6.9%, then the carbohydrates are the 63%, and also fibers are the 6.9%, and it is also rich in minerals. Minerals like calcium is available near about 0.2%. Phosphorus is available near about 0.26%, and potash is available 2.5%. So there are the nutritious values of turmeric, that is the rhizome and powder. Then next point, it has a medicine value and it is used for external application against the pain, wounds, and internally as a stimulant. It is also used in the preparation of cosmetics and Ayurvedic medicines. It has religious value and it is used in various functions and festivals like wedding and different festivals and or religious ceremonies. The turmeric have a main or turmeric have a major value in our country. Then it is used as a preparation of kumkum or bukka. Then it has most important cash crop which gives to the ready cash within a short time over farmer, and it is valuable foreign exchange. Valuable foreign exchange gives our Indian economy by the export of powder of turmeric. Then the turmeric powder is also used with boiling with milk, and it is when it is drink that time it is work as a blood purifier or improve the our immunity power. So these points are also helpful or important in economic uses or importance. Then we study the ecology. Basically turmeric is tropical climatic crop. It required hot and moist climate for its proper growth. Then the optimum temperature required for its proper and uniform growth, that is the 11 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Then the average rainfall is required 700 millimeter to 2250 millimeter. Annual rainfall occurs in that area. The turmeric can be successfully grown. Then it is very sensitive to the low temperature. It is very sensitive to the low temperature. Then it is grown as a unirrigated crop in heavy soil, or there is a heavy rainfall area as a unirrigated or a rainfed, and it is grown as a irrigated crop in moderate rainfall area where surely rainfall occurs during the growth period of turmeric. Then we study the soil requirements. The soil requirements: well drained, rich in organic matter soil are best suitable. Turmeric requires loose and friable with better in drainage condition soil. Then the loamy alluvial soil or sandy loam soil, clay loam soils are best suitable for turmeric crop. Then the pH range is required, that is the 6.5 to 7.5. Heavy black cotton soils and clay soils are unsuitable as the rhizome development is not done properly in that soil. So heavy black cotton soils or more clay soils are avoided for turmeric crop. Then it cannot be stand in waterlogging soils or alkaline soils. These points are also important. So next we study the varieties of turmeric. There are following varieties. The varieties are also asked for our 2 marks in question 4AB, that gives only names. Number 1 the Rajapuri, number 2 the Krishna, number 3 Salem, number 4 Vaigaon, number next Armour, then the Karadi, it is also known as a Sony, and then the Lokhandi, and last one is the Gadvi. These are the popular and important varieties of turmeric crop. So these varieties are also carefully studied or listened. Then we study the preparatory tillage of our turmeric. Turmeric crop required loose and friable soil. So, after harvesting of previous crop, land is plowed up to 20 centimeter deep with the help of iron plow or tractor drawn plow. Then the land is exposed for sunlight 1 to 1.5 months. Next one point is the clods are crushed with the help of clod crusher, and also another crosswise 2 to 3 harrowings or ploughings are given to the crushing the clods, and at the time of last harrowing 20 to 30 tons FYM per hectare mixed with soil properly. Then the harrowings are given 2 times as a crosswise to well mix the organic matter or your farmyard manure into the soil. Then the leveling of land is done with the help of land leveler or tractor, and finally land is prepared or soil is prepared as a requirement of planting methods, that is ridge and furrow or flat bed methods. So next one is the planting time of turmeric. It should be also asked for our fill in the blank. 15th May to 15th June is the planting time of turmeric. Then we study selection of planting sites or selection of rhizomes or planting selection of seeds in turmeric crop. Number 1, well matured sound mother rhizomes are used for planting material in turmeric crop. Mother rhizomes are gives 50% more yield than the finger and daughter rhizomes. The rhizomes or sites should be oval or round in shape, and it is 4 to 5 centimeter long and have 1 to 2 buds on each rhizome. Each rhizome have 100 gram in weight, and when cut pieces are used, that time it must be 50 gram per cut piece weight is required for planting. Then the sites are free from pest and disease. Sites are clean by removing of soil and root free. There should be 2 to 3 sprouted buds on each rhizome must be required. The seeds are sprouted under moist condition into the straw or moist straw or gunny bags, and after that it is used for planting to early and quick emergence of bud after the planting. So these are the selection of planting material, selection of rhizomes or selection of seed in turmeric. These points are also carefully studied. It should be also asked for our 2-mark short note. Then we study the site treatment or rhizome treatment in turmeric. There are 2 treatments are given before the planting of rhizomes into the main field. Number 1, insecticide solution treatment, and number 2 is the organomercurial fungicide compound solution treatment. These 2 treatments are given in turmeric crop. So first we study the insecticide solution treatment in turmeric crop. Number 1, there is an object which must be written in initially, that is the This treatment help to prevention of rhizome fly pest attack after the planting or after the emergence of plant or rhizomes. Initially, insecticide like vinalphos or novacron 10 milli or 10 liter water mix and solution is prepared. Then the rhizome sets are allowed to dip into the solution for 5 to 10 minutes and after that it is used for planting. Next one is the organomercurial fungicide compound solution treatment. The object of this treatment is the prevention of seed-borne disease or as well as soil-borne disease like rhizome rot disease or leaf spot disease. So these treatments are given. The procedure of this treatment is initially Agalol fungicide 10 ml per 10 liter water or Bavistine or DM 45 that is known as Dithenium 45 30 gram per 10 liter water mix and after that solution is prepared. Then the rhizome sets are allowed to dip into the solution for 15 to 20 minutes before the planting and after that it is used for planting. The next one fungicide compound solution is also used for, that is the 0.5% Bordeaux mixture solution. It is prepared by the use of 500 gram copper sulfate plus 500 gram lime powder and it is dissolved in 100 liter water that produce the 0.5% Bordeaux mixture solution. It should be also used for rhizome site treatments before the planting. So these are the important seed treatment or site treatment or rhizome treatment in turmeric. It should be also asked for our 2 marks. Then we study the seed rate or site rate in turmeric, that is the 2000 kilogram to 2500 kilogram mother sites are required for planting in 1 hectare area. So this point should be carefully listen or study or keep in your mind. It should be also asked for our 1 mark, fill in the blanks. Then the spacing is required or the spacing is when it is grown as a ridge and furrow method, that time spacing is near about 37.5 centimeter by 25 centimeter. Then when it is grown as a broad ridge method, that time spacing should be taken row to row and plant to plant is the 30 centimeter by 30 centimeter. So these are the spacing between row to row and plant to plant. It should be also asked for our tabular information. Then we study the planting methods in turmeric. There are following planting methods are given, that is the ridge and furrow method. Then the number second is the broad ridge method and number third one is the flat bed method. So these methods are also carefully study or listen. That one, the broad ridge method, also ask for our 2 marks short note. We study initially ridge and furrow method. When at the time of land preparation, ridges are open. Ridges and furrows are open at 75 centimeter distance apart from each other. Then the planting of sprouted mother rhizome set is done on the both sides of ridge about one-third above the bottom of the furrow. Then the only one rhizome set is planted at each spot by facing eyewards, remain upward direction. Then the sets are planted up to 20 to 25 centimeter plant to plant, and spacing should be taken, that is the 37.5 centimeter by 25 centimeter, that is the row to row and plant to plant. Then the rhizome set depth of rhizome set planting is near about 5 to 7 centimeter deep. More deep planting results delay the emergence or sprouting of eyebuds, and it also reduce the emerging eyebuds, and many gaps are appeared, so deep planting or more deep planting of rhizome sets is avoided. After the planting of sets, it is covered with soil. Then the light irrigation water is given just before the planting, and the ridge and furrow method is mainly adopted or followed, where crop is grown as a irrigated condition. So these are the points of ridge and furrow method. Then we study the broad ridge method. In this method, raised seed beds are prepared at proper distance, and also main and sub-main irrigation canals are opened to allow the proper application of irrigation water. Then the size of seed bed is 1.5 meter wide, and length is depend upon the slope of soil, and height is taken 10 to 15 centimeter or 20 to 30 centimeter from ground level. Then the length of seed bed is depend upon the slope of soil. So these are the size of raised seed bed or broad ridge. Then with the help of marking is given 30 by 30 centimeter on seed bed, and each cross point only one healthy rhizome set is planted up to the 10 centimeter deep, and after that it is covered with moist soil. Then the irrigation water is immediately applied around the irrigation canals around the seed bed. This method gives more than 30 to 35% higher yield than ridge and furrow method. And in this method, other interculture operations like weeding, earthing up, and application of manures, and also pesticides and fungicides is also easily given. So this method gives more yield than any other method. Near about yield is increased 30% to 35%. Then the flatbed method, mainly flatbed method is followed or adopted, where light soil is under cultivation of turmeric. The after land preparation, the flat beds are prepared at 1 meter wide and length is depend upon the slope of soil. Then the irrigation canals are open with the help of iron plow and flat beds are open or prepared. Then the planting is done in a line, that is the near about 37. Close spacing is majorly given in light soil, that is the 30 by 30 centimeter row to row and plant to plant. So these are the planting methods in turmeric. So next point, that is the intercultivation. Intercultivation or aftercare, that is the number one operation gap filling, second is the weeding, and third one is the earthing up. First, gap filling. This operation is given to maintain the optimum plant population per hectare area and gets or obtain maximum yield from per hectare area or per unit area. The germination of rhizome of turmeric take place within 4 to 6 weeks. So the gap filling operation is given after 4 to 6 weeks of planting time and it is complete within 1 week. Then the only one healthy rhizomes are planted where gaps are appeared on that spot. Initially planted rhizomes are removed with some soil and destroyed outside of the field by burning, and only one healthy sprouted rhizomes are planted at each gap, and gaps are filled with within a week, and this operation helps to maintain the optimum plant population per hectare area. So next one is the weeding. Generally 4 to 5 hand weedings are given at the interval of 15 days, and number of hand weedings are depend upon the intensity of weed. First hand weeding is given after 20 days of planting time, and next sub hand weedings are given at the interval of 15 days. It is important that the field is kept weedless initially 30 days. So these are the at the time of each hand weeding, care should be taken that the light soil support is given to the rhizome or exposed rhizomes are covered with soil to avoid the attack of rhizome fly pest or rotting of rhizomes. So these points are carefully studied. Then the third one, interculture operation, is the earthing up. The light earthing up is given to the rhizome or plant of turmeric after 2.5 to 3 months of planting time, at the time of apply the fertilizer dose. This operation is given to help the plant to given soil support and avoid the directly contact of water and rhizomes, and also reduce the rotting of rhizomes due to heavy irrigation water or heavy water. So this operation is mostly given at the time of each hand weeding. Light soil support is given to the plant. Then sometimes when if there is a high intensity of weed, the weedicides like Atratop or Lasso can be used after the effectively used after 3 to 4 days of planting time for weed control. So these points are also carefully studied, and next video we study the other remaining points. So thank you student.